In this video, we will learn how to use night light in a window. So let's start. So here, just go down the search box and here search the night light. I just search here night light. Here to see the first option is search night light. Click on the open option. Then here the some setting for the night lights available. You can turn on now, just click on it and you can change the strength of light. Here you see the changes in strength of light. Here the third option is the schedule night light. You can schedule your night light also. Just click on it and on for the schedule. In schedule have a two options, sunset to sunrise, and second is a set hour. When you select the sunset to sunrise is a particular timing is a set already, and if you want to set hours according to your routine, so you can set here. Just click on it and set timing those you want. For turn off also set timing those you want and click on here and set the timing. So night light is automatically on that timing and turn off on that timing. That's it. So this is a way you can set your night light in window. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.